What if your Mac Mini could reply to your WhatsApp messages, manage your calendar, browse the web, and control your smart home all by itself 24/7? That's exactly what OpenClaw does. It's an open source AI agent with over 250,000 stars on GitHub. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to set it up from scratch. The whole thing takes under 20 minutes. First, let's talk hardware. You have three options. The budget pick is a Mac Mini M2 with 8 gigs of RAM for about $500. It works great in cloud only mode. The sweet spot is the M4 with 16 gigs for 600 bucks. It can run some local models too. And for power users, the M4 Pro with 48 gigs handles large local models. The best part? It only costs about $1 to $2 a month in electricity. Step 1. Install Node.js. OpenClaw needs version 22 or newer. The easiest way is with Homebrew. Just run brew install node. Then verify it with node dash dash version. You should see version 22 or higher. Step 2. Install OpenClaw itself. One single command does everything. Curl the install script from docs.openclaw.ai and pipe it to bash. It downloads the binaries, sets up your workspace, and you're ready to go. Quick security note though. There have been fake OpenClaw repos with malware popping up in search results. Always make sure you're installing from the official GitHub repo. Step 3. The Onboarding Wizard. This launches automatically after install. First, pick your LLM provider. I recommend Anthropic with Claude Opus for the best results. But you can also use OpenAI or run local models with Ollama. Next, paste your API key. Then choose which messaging apps to connect. WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, Discord, iMessage, Signal. Toggle on the ones you want. Finally, confirm your time zone and you're done with the wizard. Step 4. Run OpenClaw Doctor. This validates your entire setup. It checks your node version, dependencies, config file, API key, channel connections, and network. You want to see green check marks across the board. Step 5. Set up always on mode. This is what makes your Mac Mini a true 24/7 assistant. Create a dedicated non-admin user account for security. Then run OpenClaw service install. This creates a launch daemon that auto restarts OpenClaw if your Mac reboots or loses power. Your agent never sleeps. Step 6. Open your browser to localhost 18789 and boom, the OpenClaw control UI loads. This is your command center. Let me walk you through it. The Overview tab shows you everything at a glance. Active channels, sessions today, and skills enabled. Below that is a live activity feed showing everything your agent has been doing. Responding to messages, creating calendar events, sending emails, researching the web, even controlling your smart home. The chat tab is where the magic happens. This is your direct conversation with Molty. That's the agent. You can ask it anything. Check your calendar, send messages through WhatsApp, research topics on the web, create notes. Watch this. I ask it to check my calendar. It calls the Google Calendar tool and shows me my events in line. I ask it to reschedule the dentist. Done. Send a WhatsApp message to someone. Sent. Every tool call shows up as a card, so you can see exactly what the agent is doing. And here's the security feature I love, the exec approval model. When your agent wants to do something potentially risky, it asks for permission first. You can allow once, allow always, or deny. You're always in control. The Agents tab lets you configure your agent's identity and behavior. You can edit the agent's IMD file to define its personality and rules. Set tool permissions. Allow, ask first, or deny for each capability. You can also configure which channels and skills the agent has access to. The Channels tab shows all your messaging platform connections. Green means connected and active. You can see WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, all online. Setting up a new channel is just a few clicks. Skills are the superpowers. OpenClaw has over 50 available skills: email, calendar, notes, web browsing, GitHub integration, smart home control, Twitter posting, file management, and way more. Just toggle them on or off. Each skill gives your agent new capabilities. There's also cron jobs for scheduled automations. I have a morning briefing that runs at 8 a.m. with my calendar, weather, and news. A weekly review every Sunday. The Logs tab shows real-time system events, so you can see exactly what's happening under the hood. And the Config tab lets you edit the YAML configuration directly. And that's it. Your Mac Mini is now a 24/7 AI assistant. It answers your messages, manages your calendar, automates your tasks, and never sleeps. All for $1 to $2 a month in electricity. If this was helpful, hit subscribe for more tutorials like this. Links to everything are in the description. See you in the next one.